sorry, we don't have any time for questions or comments, but the cow is here, so we can't want to delay the cow.
Okay, now we're gonna play a game for the kids, or grow up if you like, I don't mind. We have cookies. We're gonna put the bell to the cow. Where is Krishna? Mukunda, come on, the cow is coming. Let's go. Moo. Let's go. Moo. Moo. We are a Suravi cow from Vrindavan. This is like a disclaimer. No cows was harmed during this game. We don't want to be sued by PETA or something else. Okay. You want to be the first?
I don't know.
Who wants to try first? We're gonna. First, look here. You need to try to put the bell here, okay? Yeah, here is the bell, and you need to try to put it there, okay? You're not gonna make it. Here's the bell. You need to put the bell. Come on, come on. I don't know. I don't want to tell you where. Good. Try. Here? You destroy the bell. You put it here. Open your, move your eye. In the nose. Okay, you see the, you got to Give me a shot. Who wanna try? Come on. Let's go. You help me, Mukunda, now. You hold the cow in the back. The cow. You can put the cookie there. Don't worry. You help me. You help me to hold the cow. Okay. Look it up where it is. We come here. Try to visualize.
Here?
Yeah, you have to try to put it there. Okay, let's go. 1, 2. Here is your bell. Here is. No. Don't remove the sticky part.
Well.
Okay, there you go. Close. Almost. Almost. Cold. Okay. Good. Oh, come on. The cow is upset now. The nose. Okay. You get the cookie out. Who wanna try? Come on. A few minutes for Kirtan. Okay, look it up here. There's the cow. You need to try to put it here. If you win, 2 cookies. double of nasi. We're going. See? Here we go. You can remove. Oh, in the nose.
In the nostril.
Come on. Come here. You need to try to put it here, okay?
Okay.
Visualize. And good luck.
Okay.
Is this like an initiation kind of?
If you want to take care of the cows, you need to put the bell first.
Okay.
Okay. Almost there. Okay. Give you. All right. Ooh.
about the score.
Okay, you feeling good?
What's so funny?
Are you sure?
Wait, no, good points.
Okay. Okay, 5 seconds. 1.
Okay, I got it.
Oh, okay.
And
Oh, woo. Almost. Somebody else? Okay, you. Let's go. Okay, so. Yeah, take your glasses, but you can see? You don't need to see. That's the point. That's the idea. Okay. You can see this?
Yeah.
Okay. You're turning the cow. Okay. This is the bell. Here we go. Whoa! Hold, no. This way, okay. We're getting close. Come on. Okay, good.
oh, you're gonna win.
Okay, that's it. Close. Almost. Somebody else? Okay. We got 3 more minutes. And we have more. Okay, you can put it here.
Not on the nose.
All right. Oh. Down. Down. Oh. Okay. Almost. Good job. Oh. There you go. Take out your glasses. Mukunda is assistant. Yeah, I can hold it for you. Getting close. Getting close. Little bit more. Arriba! Almost there, but you get double. You only feel one more. Somebody else? Okay. Linda.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry. Give you the bell. All right. Getting close. Let me up. Let me. Okay. Oh well, not too bad. There you go. One more? Somebody else? No? Somebody else? Okay, thank you so much. I think the cow is happy. See you next year, say. Okay, thank you for coming. The feast is not fully sponsored. That means we're not gonna ask for tickets, but I'm gonna go around with the basket or plate or something. If you wanna donate anything to finish the cover of the cost of the feast.